Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a wonderful Monday, this February 10th. I just wanted to share the worm bed I started on January 6th. It's just a few days of a month old, and although I have another month or so to go, it's coming along fine. And I just want to flip the worms. I want to flip the bed over and expose the worms, see how they're doing. And I thought maybe you want to see what's going on as well. So hold on a moment and let me set that up. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour the worms out of this bin and see how they're doing. So the bin looks to be nice, and the worms seem to be healthy. So I did go ahead and take out some of the pieces that didn't break down fast enough, and I'll just use that in a newer worm bin. But this is what it looks like, and I'm certain that in a few more weeks or a month or so it'll be time to harvest, and the worms will be put in a new bin, start all over again. And all I know is black gold is the way to go. Any way you do it, it works. Just make sure that you watch your worms so they don't get abused and find them unhealthy, and that's certainly something we have to be mindful. Anyway, I have one more video to put in place, and I hope you come back. And until then, Organic Worm Castings by SOTO saying thank you for stopping by. And if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, make a comment. And if you find me interesting enough, a like would be nice. Until then, be blessed. Signing off for now. Bye.